Hi there! Let's talk about layer properties in Autocad. Click this item to show layer properties. Let me start by drawing some figures in the model space. Let's add a line, circle, square, and oval. Now I'm going to open the layer properties. This is the new layer icon. Delete layer and set current that we will be using later on. Let's add layers and assign colors to the different layers. Select red for this one. The next one would be magenta. Third one would be yellow. Fourth one is going to be green. Each color have a number assigned to them. Like for this example, that blue shade is 160. You can also type the number in that space. And view more selection of colors in the other tabs. On here, you can see what layer is the object in. Right now, it's set to the layer 0. I'll go ahead and change that to layer 1 and assign the other objects to different layers. You can also find more property details on this window right here. It shows you the color, the layer, the line type, and other information that you might want to modify. Now let's go back to the layer properties. In this window, you can add or delete layers as you wish. Let's delete layer 5. Here you can turn on and off a layer, freeze or unfreeze, lock or unlock, allow it to plot or not, change the line type or line weight, adjust the transparency, and other modification that you need to apply to a layer. Using layers is very helpful, especially if you have multiple objects you are working on that needs to have similar properties. This way, you don't need to edit the properties per object, but just apply it to the whole layer and assign the object to that layer. Make sure though that the object's properties is set to by a layer so that it will follow whatever is set in the layer properties. Current layer means that whatever objects you insert or draw, it will be in that assigned layer. Right now, layer 0 is the current layer. So if I assign layer 4 as my current layer, the star that I will draw will be in layer 4. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.